you see any sectors which has, stood strong against the kind of selling that has already been happening in the markets? And do you expect those sectors to probably, perform better as compared to what other sectors are seeing in terms of pressure?
Yeah, so I think two sectors stand out. One is BFSI and the other is IT. So they have sort of fallen less than the others, withstood the overall negative sentiments much better. And going forward, also, I think we had slight negative news for the banking sector in the sense that the credit growth for the fortnight ended 18th October came in at 11.5%, which is at a multi-month low. So that is a slight negative for the BFSI. Otherwise, I think BFSI and IT could sort of outperform even in in a downtrending market for some time.
Gaurav, do you want to add to that? And also, question is, how are you advising clients right now? Of course, it would depend on size, scale, and proclivity. But broadly, how are you advising your clients?
So, for about month and a half, we've been asking our clients to reduce exposure to small cap, micro cap stocks, momentum stocks, because, you have had a 17, 18 months of a one-way rally in the small cap index. And if you see the past 20, 25 years, on an average, a small cap rally lasts for around 18 months. So we had already had that, and maximum of small cap rally has gone for around 20, 21 months. So it was time where the risk reward was much better in this thing large caps compared to small caps, and this thing that is quite evident. Also, we were asking our clients to take home some profits in the spaces that has been doing well, like power, defense, railways, and stuff like that, where the valuations have become extremely overheated. So that has been our stand for past 1.5 month, 2 month. Now, talking about the spaces which are doing well, which are not doing well, I think they are very closely linked to what happened in Q2 earnings. We've been talking about events, but we haven't talked about how the earning growth has slowed down. Started in this in Q1, and it is very evident again in this in Q2. So the biggest disappointment which has come here is that the consumer spending has slowed down. Rural was supposed to pick up, which has actually not happened. Urban spending is also weak. So if you see, basically FMCG, autos have been largely underperformers. On the other hand, we have seen asset quality issues in case of NBFC. So that is also a space which have been the worst hit. So this is all linked to what have been the outcome of Q2 results. On the other hand, what we have seen is that some of these private banks, some of these this real estate companies, IT companies, which have shown decent numbers and given a better outlook of growth, have been the outperformers.
Right. Okay. And thanks for that summation.